This is my honest opinion on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra that Samsung released few months ago. We all know that Samsung released this Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra around February 2025. So on this video, I'm going to give you my honest opinion after I have used it and after I've also searched internet to hear what users of this phone have to say about this phone. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, this is AB Tech. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video. So according to the reports that we are getting, and especially somebody like me that I was using the S24 Ultra prior to this S25 Ultra, I will tell you it was very difficult for me to migrate from the S24 Ultra to S25 Ultra. But here are some good feedbacks that we have gotten so far about this phone, all over the place, because we went on internet, we make search, even from Samsung community as well. Now everybody liked the display and the design of this phone. A lot of people praise this phone because of the 6.8 inches dynamic AMOLED 2x 120Hz refresh rate. And of course, a lot of people like the flat display. So, and people also appreciate the titanium frame, because it helped the phone to be more durable. Another thing people appreciate, even me also, I appreciate the camera, especially the 200 megapixel main sensor and the 5x periscope zoom and the improved AI processing. So I like these features that are in the camera department. So another thing people also praise about this phone is the battery life, okay, because it comes with the huge 5000 milliamp hours of battery, and that was sufficient for the chipset, which is the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. So it's something everybody liked. And the support for S Pen, a lot of people like the S Pen, but me, I don't normally use the S Pen because I prefer my S Pen on tablets, not on my mobile devices. So those are the area that people actually liked about this phone. Then the area that people talked about it, that even I also felt it, but it's not something I really care about much, is the size and the weight. So this phone weighed 233 grams, so it's heavy, especially for a lot of people that don't like heavy devices. Then another thing people also talk about is the software. The One UI 17 that they install is not as durable as it is, and this software come with their own pre-installed applications that you cannot also uninstall. So a lot of people really don't like that features about it, but for me, I don't really have an issue with it. And people talked about the price. They say the $1,300 price tag is too much. It's too much for the device. But one good thing is we heard that Samsung has also dropped the price to $1,200. So these are the little things that people talked about it. And even the AI features, some AI powered tools like the read time translator, the photo editing are cool, but not always practical. They are not really, it's not really as advertised. So that is what I can say on that, because the real life translation doesn't even get it much correctly, and even call summary doesn't get it correct, but it does a lot of work. So these are some of the things that people talked about. And when we talk about the camera, people say, okay, instead of the 5x periscope zoom, that they could have increased it to like 10 times. So that is their opinion. And where they also say it should also be kind of lightweight, and they said it should be at least 6,000 to 7,000 milliamp hours of battery, comparing to the price that this phone came with. So these are the things I have for you about this, and this is my honest opinion about the S25 Ultra. See you in my next video. Peace out.